Kansara. My current position is Assistant Financial Director. It's 465, including staff and workmen. This current year, 2016 and 17, we have started, we have gone live in SAP BI.
Okay.
But the implementation phase started from 15-16. Actually, current our initial software, there was a lot of problem. There were no specific concrete reports, and it was a loose system. It's loose end, means if you give data entry, but there was no corresponding means end result entry. Means there was no feedback, no monitoring system, and plus no accountability of after effects. It was a tailor-made
Customized
software. Initial stage was tough. Means actually my department is centralized department whole group, the accounts and finance. Means whatever the entry was made in a SAP B1, we need to monitor each and every account. Means, are they doing the right entry? Whatever text they are putting in the entry is going in the right direction or not. Means initial phase there was a lot of pressure on our department, my department. Now it's smooth. Means everything is running very smooth. Actually, we don't have anything much more to monitor because software does everything.
Okay.
Means our work is in all way reduced, means entry level work, and there is lot of reduction in errors, entry level errors in manufacturing, retail. Manufacturing term basically I would suggest, because for manufacturing this is the best software.
Okay.
Even I have recommended to a few of my friends, and they are looking forward to start implementing B1, SAP B1.
Okay.
We educated our existing employees, and this whole implementation now means we reshuffled our whole employee. Means in some department there were lots of employees. So we got to know that this is a waste of energy, time. So we shifted them to some other department. So in all means our whole staff member was efficiently utilized in SAP B1. Yeah, they were like very hardworking. I have seen them in the implementation phase. They used to come to our company at 10 and they used to leave at 4 a.m., 3 a.m. On daily basis till 1 month. Because there was a lot of pressure on them to start go live in all. We basically had 5 databases. In all, we can say 5 companies. So they implemented 5 companies in one group itself. So you can imagine the burden they had. Heads off to them. Means your team, whole Tapan, Abhishek, Khati, Alvesh Bhai. They were very enthusiastic in the whole process. Means we really enjoyed and they really enjoyed us.
Okay.
Actually, means in the whole implementation phase, there were a lot of problems because the comfort level of our old employee was lost. Means they were not getting any reports and nothing was in their hand. Means they had to ask for everything to SAP people, means this HNS people. So sometimes they were very angry. Means our employee report नहीं मिलता, क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग, बैठे हो क्या करते हो, समझ में नहीं आता. They used to calmly and patiently answer them, each one of them. That was the main thing I liked about SAP. Hundreds of people. Means this software is overall is very helpful to us. Means what I can suggest is then means this software is about discipline. Your data entry should be perfect. Then only you will get perfect report. And in all, incoming and outgoing is completely monitored in SAP B1. Means the system does everything. You can say 5 years, Japanese technique, it's all mentioned in this software. If you implement this software, the whole process will be efficient and effective. That's the main thing I can tell my friends. Means once you start implementing, you don't have to monitor each and every person, what he is doing. The software itself will tell you means what he is doing and what data entry he did today.
Okay.
And you will have complete accountability of your each and everything in the company.